Enough. Okay, enjoy your puja holidays. Have a nice time. But class 10 and 12 you also enjoy. But keep aside every day 2 hours, 5 to 7. In the morning, get up at 4:30 and study from 5 to 7 in the morning. Rest all day can enjoy, because when you come back, you have to write your pre-test. Today, your results will be given. In the morning, in the first period, results will be given to class 9, 10, 11 and 12. Class 9 students, I had already told you, those who passed, you get your results. Those who failed in one subject, we will consider you to give you results. Those who failed more than one subject, compulsory they will bring parents tomorrow by 10 a.m. Your results will not be given to you, results will be given to your parents. If your parents don't come tomorrow, you will not be allowed to continue your classes. Is it clear? Class 9 ABCD students. D, starting with class 5D. Class 5, third place goes to Swastika Pradhan of class 5B. Second place with 88.50% Priyanka Rai of 5C. And the first place, this is all out of 20, English 119, English 219, Nepali 116, Nepali 218, Maths 118, Maths 220, General Science 17, History 15, Geography 18, and Bangla Wrong 19. With 89.50%, first place Naman Kumar from class 5C. Now class 6. Third place goes to, with 90.18%, Angelina Lepcha of 6D. Naman, are you there? Naman Kumar? Coming. Angelina Lepcha. With 91.64%, second place goes to Ipsita Thapa Bangalore of 6A. And the first place with 95.27%, Stella Lepcha of 6D. English 125, English 225, Nepali 125, Nepali 224, Maths 125, Maths 219, General Science 25, History 22, Geography 23, Wrong Bangla 24, and Health and Hygiene 25. Almost all full marks. This is all out of 25. Moving on to class 7. Third place goes to, with 88%, Sanjok Rai of 7B. Sanjok Rai, 7B. Second place goes to, still she managed to keep her place, Florencia Lepcha of 7D. And the first place with 91.67%, Janice Bungar of 7B. These are all out of 25. English 123, English 224, Nepali 124, Nepali 219, Maths 125, Maths 224, Life Science 24, Physical Science 24, History 24, Geography 24, Hindi Wrong 22, and Health and Hygiene 16.
Jenny's Ponga. Moving on to class 8. Third place with 85.33% from class 8A, Mercy Tamam. Mercy Tamam. She had, I think, yellow tie in the first term. Now this yellow tie is Roland Letta of 80. 91.2%. 91.67%. Roland. At the first place with 92.67, Elin Rai of Elin Rai. She got English 125, English 220, Maths 1, Nepali 124, Nepali 223, Maths 124, Maths 223, Life Science 25, Physical Science 25, History 25, Geography 23, Hindi Wrong 22, and Health and Hygiene 19. So Ellen. Class 9. Third place with 70% goes to Sneha Rai of 9B. Second place. Second place. 70.14%. It is Tsunami Mokhtar. She had red tie in the first term, I think. Red tie. Now it's put on with yellow. Tsunami's red tie is taken by Rigden Letta of class 9. Rigden, 70.29%, very close. Nepali 60, English 80, Life Science 76, Physical Science 80, Mathematics 54, History 64, Geography 78. Class is Samay here? Are you present? Okay. And the first place with 79.71%, Vidya Guru of KFC. She got 19 Nepali, 74 English, Life Science 94, Physical Science 78, Mathematics 82, History 72, Geography 68. Class 11A. Class 11 Arts. This is third place goes to with 59.33%, Sakshi Guru. Second place with 59.67%, Muskan Gising. Muksang or Miksang, it is Miksang. At the first place with 66.33%, Prasansa Mogar. Prasansa got 78 in Nepali, 68 in English, 86 Economics, Full Science 14, History 60, Geography 66. Science. First place with 64%, Bhavina Adhikari. Third place. Congratulations, Bhavina and Anusar also. Second place with 64.67%, Stella Rai. And the first place with 65.33%, Anissa Pradhan. She got 90 in Nepali, 80 in English, Mathematics 50, Biology 76, Physics 46, Chemistry 50. Moving on to class 12, art section. Third place with 58%, Pritam Tamau. Pritam Tamau. Pritam. Action. Second place goes to with 59.67%, Azim Letta, Vice Captain. And the first place with 60.33%, it is Sabita Kamal of 12B. She got 66 in Nepali, 356. And finally, class 12 science with 59%, it is Suman Chhetri. And the first place, any guesses? 12 science? First place with 66%, it is Cynthia Lenta. She got 74 in Nepali, 66 in English, Biology 48, Physics 84, Chemistry 48, Environmental Science 76. The football team, our boys played so well, 2 teams were out today. They played a very good game, and I think our girls are lady basketball. Almost lost. After we जीतने वालों को. So we have our lady basketball also. So I have to call here the teams of the Georgian football tournament 2022. The player of the tournament was our goalkeeper, Angel Muskan. She is not there. Anyways, let's give her a big round of applause. Winner of the tournament. Our heroes are coming here. They did a big cheer. They really played a very good game there on the final. This year seems to be a very good one for the footballers, Georgian footballers. 7 finals in independence and 2 finals now. And this beautiful token is given to
Teachers for Georgian family, hip hip! Teachers for all the coaches, hip hip! Thank you.
Like the leaders problem. That big one they have to return, and this use a pot and go school to one. So they are the champions on the field, and they are champions inside the classroom. They are the toppers of second term. Little more than now So thank you, and please go back to your class quietly. Have a good day.